Hi everybody, so here we're doing a mess test slash vacuum video with room vacuuming with this Bissell compact, Power Force compact bagless vacuum. So this is basically what I picked up from the red carpet in the living room in my hallway there. And from what I vacuumed in here, this room hasn't been vacuumed in 5 days. So this is what I picked up today, so let's see. Let's see how well it picks up. Trying to get all that junk off the floor. Even though I got this house every day, I don't want to have that. So, this is how much it picked up. So yeah, I actually did pretty well picking that stuff up. I was kind of shocked. So, backstory on this vacuum cleaner. So, I haven't done an update in this vacuum in, here, I'm gonna put the camera up just a little bit more so when I talk, you can see my face. And yeah, now face towards me. So I haven't done a video of this vacuum cleaner in forever. I got this for Christmas last year of 2020, Christmas 2020. My parents bought it for me because I was using my Dirt Devil, and of course, need something smaller, so I got this for Christmas. I was not expecting to get another vacuum cleaner, but they bought it for me, which was nice. I actually love it. I like how small it is. I don't care for bagless vacuums, but I do kind of like this one. It's small. It's just good for quick cleanups, Like, I like to use this when I clean. I have a red runner in my hallway, and I use this to vacuum that runner. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my TikTok, which is Bissell. Have a great night, and gone.